Hello, it's another Modern Combat. Domination. Team deathmatch thing. Anyways. Let's play. Okay, let's go. Defend the missile! The missile shall be defended. Run faster, faster, faster. It's my missile. No one's gonna touch it. See? I told you. No one's gonna touch it. Oh. What the? Ah! I'm defending it. What is it? This. I don't like it. Mine. I believe in you, stupid. I believe I'm gonna shoot your face like that. Say you're gonna die, hun. I believe. Enemy. Ah! Run! Run, viewers! Enemy! Whoa. Hi. Oh. I see an enemy. Look at the window. Dun dun. Dun dun. If my calculation is correct, he should be up there. Oh yeah, my team won away already. What a bunch of bots. It's only been like 2 minutes. Oh wait, it's the end of the round. Oh! Yes! And he's coming down again. Let's end it now, cause my Nana's here. She's leaving already. Good, now I can finish my video. So viewers, can you tell people other that you know, that like me is here? Because I'd really like your friends to watch me, because you know, I don't have the most video. Oh, sad. What? I can't play anymore? What? What? I want to play for my viewers. If you don't like it, I'm gonna freak out. Get out of that and start fighting. Like a man. Like a man. Like a man, like a man, like a manly man. Okay, let's just watch while he fights. can't. What a bunch of balls. Bunch of balls. Dun-dun. Bomb-om. Bon-om. Bow. Bow. Actually, that's a great idea, Michael. Why don't we do that? That. Move camera like that. Turn the camera on TV like that. It's even a better screen. And it's closer to my voice. Yes, I'm taking over the CPU. Oh. I saw you. Ow. No! What a bunch of balls! Bunch of balls! Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, ow! I hot right now. Why do I keep dying from myself? Like, watch. This is so stupid. Like, I can just, like, walk around and I'll die. It's gonna happen. I hate gunshots. Stupid, now I know where you are. Now I have to go this way. Now I have to do all this. Now I have to do this. And then that. That's way too much. But I'm in whoa. Duh. Whoa. What a bunch of balls! She answered call, I got cold. I wanna get a call. Yes, I should sure. Dum 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 dum. Whoa! You scared me, man! Don't scare me, man! Don't scare me, man! Don't scare me, man! Well, we won because you scared me! Only because you scared me! So you don't scare me anymore! Whoa! Don't scare me.